Springfield. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1 a.m. At 12:25 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near East Troy, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include East Troy, Wind Lake, Rochester, Waterford North, Potter Lake, Waterford, Love Range, Honey Creek, and Troy Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service